Hi, today we're going to be making the bat plane that flaps its wings. And it is just like a bat plane, but the cool thing is that's like a bird when it flaps its wings. Don't throw it hardly, throw it lightly because then it'll go up in the air. Do not use this in windy conditions because then it'll go like this. And then if the wind blows, it'll go. So, now let's get to folding. First, what you want to do is you want to fold it down like this. Then crease it really good. Then what you want to do is you want to fold. You have this flap right here. Fold it here to up here, all the way to the top. Then you should have this with one layer, only one. Flip the plane over, then you should have this. Do the same. Then you should have like this extension like this. What you're gonna do, here, let me crease it. What you want to do is you want to take this, fold it over to the other side so that this makes a point. And if you don't understand, just look. That's what you should do. You're going to flip the plane over, take the flap, and match as best as you possibly can. Then you should have this. You should have these two right here on the top, where these are. Take one of them and fold it down just like that. Crease it, so you want to do that. Then you have one there. Take it over to the other side and fold. Then what you should have is this, with the point. And if you're having a little trouble, ask a parent. Then you should have this. Then you're gonna see that you have a hole right here that you can open it up to the back. You wanna open up to the back. And then you want to fold it this tip all the way to the bottom. Just like this. Then what you want to do is you want to take this, and do not rush because this place is hard. A lot of you are going to think then you do this and bring it to the center. Well, you just want to make it pass like a teeny tiny bit by past this layer. Or you can make it on the layer. I think I would just make it a little past. Then you should have this. Then what you want to do is you want to fold it up as much as you can. Just like this. I want to do that again. You have this. Fold it up as much as you can. Then flip the plane over. Fold the tip down as far as you possibly could. Just like this. Then and then what you want to do is flatten the center crease. Then follow the center crease by taking it like this with the tip down and folding it in half. And make sure those points match up. Don't worry about the center crease in that. Then what you should have is this. Then put your finger down like somewhere, and then just keep doing that, and then you'll find the loose part, fold that. Make the other part do the same on the other side. Done. If you're having a little trouble in the front, all you gotta do is you gotta push on the front, and then what you should have is this. Then you should have is like that right there.
Oh, that's a blood.
So here is the point. If you wanted to make it go high and straight instead of flapping its wings, then what you want to do is you want to recrease this. And I'm gonna do it with my other plane because I'm gonna do it with this plane, the other one, that version that I made. You wanna recrease it, like I just said, and then you wanna flip it over to the bottom like this, and you wanna take your fingers and then do this. Just keep doing that, and then it'll start to bend, or you can do this. And do the same on the other. And then you should have like a bend down one. That one goes like up. If you throw it light, and it'll glide down. But if you throw it hard, it'll just go. But with this one, what you want to do is you want to fold the wings back up and then flatten that crease with the wings, and then put it down just a little, and then you should have the plane. And it actually flaps its wings. I'm gonna so if you want to see how it flies, then we'll show you how it flies.
I'll clean the rest.
But
I'll clean the rest.
so we're gonna be testing this plane out in my house, and it actually flies really good. That's my brother. So we're gonna be testing it out. So what you want to do is you want to throw it lightly, not hard, because I'll show you what hard does. It'll make it go fast enough so that it'll just make it go too fast that it doesn't have control with the wings, because if you throw it light, then it gets its time to like start moving, and then it'll start to flap really good. But if you throw it hard, it has just too much speed for a big wing. So you have to throw it lightly, because if you throw it hard, then it just gets out of control with the wings. So just start, oh, I can't take it. So that's why it has to turn in like random directions. Now I'll show you how to do it light. So the light way will be good. Because look at it gets control and it glides. It just gets into control.
When? How are you holding the camera?